Right, okay, we're going to work out some statistics that you can use in your report based on these figures. I've already done the Manchester ones, okay, just to test they worked. And these are all formulas based on this data here. Now you need to understand the data range of this. The data range is the first one, the first number in the list, and the last number in the list. So the first number of the list is in C2, and the last number is in C21. It's important that you know those when you do them. Now with the Cardiff ones, which I'm going to show, the data range is over here. So it's in H2, H2, and H21. So H2, H21 are important to remember. Now if we're going to work out the mean of these, which is the average, and I want the result to go in there, I just type equals average, open bracket, the first one in the range, which we just said was H2. Then you have to separate them with a colon on your keyboard. Think of the colon as the word two, so H2 colon H21, close the bracket, equals average H2 to H21, and it works the average out for you. The reason we use formulas, if I change the price there from 700 to 500, watch the average change, it recalculates down there. Not by much, but it does. Okay, and then so H2 colon H21 is important. So the next thing we're going to do is the mode, and we type equals mode, open brackets, H2 colon H21, works out the mode. The mode of that there is now 650. So the most frequent price is £650. The median value, so equals median, H2 colon H21. So the median value is 650, which is pretty close to the average value. The highest price in there is equals max, the max formula, H2 colon H21, which is 950 is the highest price. The lowest price is equals min of H2 colon H21. There. Get the idea, it's 450. Now the range is the difference between the two. So that's just a takeaway. So we could say equals that. So you can click on it, D27 minus that. I'm clicking on it, D27 minus D28. So 950, take away 450 is 500. Make sure you use the formula for marks, not work it out in your head and type it in. Standard deviation is quite a long formula. There's going to be a link on this to explain what standard deviation is for non-mathematicians, but it's quite complex to work out on pen and paper. But for this, it's just simple as equals STDev, standard deviation, open bracket, H2 colon H21, oops, get right now, H21, and the standard deviation is £118.69. So you need to spend 10 minutes, watch this video, go into your file, the basic stats, when you've got these typed in here, and you calculate that table there. That table will be important later on, and we'll show you how to put that into charts, etc., to display data.